Good evening from Ogden, Utah. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. It is 6 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time. We're just beyond Washington Boulevard, near what I would call the downtown Ogden area, and this is historic 25th Street that we're along. I've done some videos in Ogden in the past where I've explored the downtown Ogden area, but anytime I've done the videos, I've stopped right at the intersection of 25th and Washington and gone more that way, or actually at that corner of Washington and 25th. If you've ever seen my Christmas little, where they do little Christmas houses in downtown Ogden at Christmas time, it's at that park down there. So I've never actually ventured by foot up this way, but I was trying to find a different video, something I haven't covered before, and after Googling around a little bit, looking on Google Maps, I was like, oh, what's this place here? So I read up on it, and this is the Dumke Arts Plaza. It had its grand opening back in December of 2021, and according to the online article on the Ogden City website, it says the Dumke Arts Plaza represents the transformation of a blighted motel property into an innovative civic space that brings the community together around art in Ogden's dynamic 9 Rails creative district. And then it goes on to talk about the plaza's design, because it's a very small area, but they've really brought in some architects and artists to really highlight and make this a unique gathering space if people want to come here. Now, the specific very colorful exhibit that you see right there, and I'll try to showcase as much of the plaza as possible. Let me get in the shade here. This specific colorful exhibit was inspired by the artist Megan Geckler, and it's titled A Dream That Comes in Color. It actually, I think it's finished, or I should say partially finished. I don't know if they're going to be adding more designs to it, because over there you can see it does say May 28th to May 31st, and today's only May 29th, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. They're looking for volunteers to help put this art exhibit together. It's supposed to be a vibrant, kaleidoscopic declaration of beauty, of differences coming together in harmony, a large-scale installation artwork using hyper-colorful, recyclable PVC film integrated seamlessly with the architecture of the site. And it's supposed to be on display officially May 31st to September 30th. So I don't know if I'm here early, but when I was popping by, this looked like a finished product, and this looked like it was very nicely done. But again, there could be further things done. I don't know if they're going to plan on trying to hang things from all of those areas, but it definitely looks scenic, and I figured I would check it out while I'm here. Now, I read online that this art exhibit here, you can see how it sort of has an arm that stretches over to the street, and that's supposed to represent a way for people to be able to see it from a distance and identify okay, that's the beacon of the plaza. And another thing is, it said during the summer months, those poles that are right there, well, they do have lights in them, but I believe they're supposed to be those type of things that emit water, to cool you down. Let's see what else we have here. I'm not positive, but this almost looks like one of those musical instrument things, right? Where you can make play some music. You have a water bottle filler here. Let's see if it is functioning. It's always nice when they have these. Nope, not functioning at the moment. Here's that arm. It has that gradient color where it starts from a blue and then eventually transitions to purple and orange out all the way to the street. And you could see a better perspective of it earlier. So then part of the plaza too has a stairway, and see how they have all these like unique benches. And part of the idea of this area is that the city can hold various small events, whether it be art type events or maybe mini musical performances. Yeah, I really love how I don't know how well it's coming off on the camera, but just seeing the transition of the colors from like orange to yellow, and on the other side red to pink to purple, blue, seamlessly almost going all around. Not sure if there's anything else beyond this area. Let's try to overlook where the parking lot is here. Yeah, I was watching a video from, I think it was filmed 2 years ago, where they were trying to promote the area. I swear that there was like a sculpture of some kind there, but maybe what it is, because this is supposed to be featuring, I think, rotating exhibits, maybe this like area and like that pad right there, for example, I don't know how that could, who knows, maybe that's electrical or something. But yeah, I feel like both areas like that down there and this whole area with the lines have room for, if people want to put sculptures there. And you can see almost where the ground is scuffed up, like there used to be a sculpture there. So I was expecting to see that in person, but now that makes sense that this would be like a rotating exhibit area. But this would be nice for, if you can imagine, the lunchtime hour. If people are working down here on their lunch break, come here and sit down at the little park, or probably something you want to see when they hold various events in this area. Yeah, I don't think the plaza extends beyond this way. Nope. But neat little colorful exhibit. I will be curious. I don't know. I'll probably be able to walk by here at least one other time during the summer to see if there's any, because there's, according to that sign, like I said, there's supposed to be 2 more days worth of artwork being done, or this project, even though to me it looks like it's already complete. And this is a video board that tries to promote the latest things going on. And also under here you've got the lights. So pretty cool, rather than leaving it as an old abandoned place, transforming it into a nice plaza where you can showcase artwork exhibits. One more quick thing, when I was talking about those temporary sculptures that they would sometimes have at that art plaza, let's look at my phone real quick. Here's some examples from like Google, where it's showing like sculptures that would be there at one point in time. So that's what I meant by like the rotating exhibits. It kind of reminds me of, for my Cleveland viewers, how the downtown Cleveland Public Library has the Eastman Reading Garden, and they'll often do various art exhibits that rotate through there, or sometimes Cleveland Public Square does that too. So yeah, nice place if you're a person in Ogden to be aware of the many artistic things that they have down here.